We are traveling to Takkale. From there we will go to Padmapuram. Padmapuram Palace.
Padmanabhapuram Palace.
We're taking the bus. Johnson is buying our ticket. We are near the Padmanabhapuram Palace. Before entering inside, having some juice, coconut water and elani. The temple is 500 years old. It's in Tamil Nadu, but the Kerala government has taken over it because the king of Travancore was a Malayali. I'm glad that Kerala government has taken over because they are really maintaining it well. One good thing about this palace is that they have rooms for everybody. King has separate place, queen has separate place, queen's friend has separate place, queen's mother has a separate place. And in every room, the architecture, the woodwork is uncompromised. That's one of the places where king can sit, and he would come and sit there, and on this road there would be horse chariot and other army procession for him to enjoy. The building which is in the back side, a similar building is there in Chennai. Guess where? In Dakshin Chitra. If you don't have time to come here, you can always go to Dakshin Chitra in Chennai. This is the guest portion of the palace. And it's not considered in Kerala style, it's more of in European. This area belongs to the workers, the guards, the people who cook food, and the helpers who are here to support the king and the king's family. This is the kitchen. Come, let's go. Full palace park 2 hours ache, and we also took 2 hours of time. Lot of learning, history and about this beautiful palace. Ulla poningana, at every point there are some person standing to explain you what this thing is about. So it's really interesting. College pasanga, arrive konja coming. Did you notice they have given credits not to some big officers or some politician or someone. They have given credits to people who have actually done the work, like carving works, carpentry works. There are some script here which are older form of Tamil. This is the iron guilt. So if you kill a Brahmin or do something against the state, they will put you inside this and then they will hang you in the marketplace. If you kill anybody else, then it's fine, but killing a Brahmin will get you hanged. All these stones are gift by the farmers to the temple. This one is because the temple has erected a place for cows drinking, so the farmer gave. The other one is because of the good paddy crop they got that year, and that's a gift. So each stone has a story behind why it was donated to the temple. The time when we came, no one was here. We came at exactly at 10 o'clock. Now it's 12 o'clock, and see the crowd. So many people around have come to see this temple, and they are taking proper precautions also because of the COVID going on right now. Gloves and mask is compulsory. Without that, they are not allowing you inside. Also, they are asking you to maintain social distance. So I don't think you have to be scared if you are coming here. Just take your precaution. There's a beautiful handcraft shop outside the Padmapula Palace, and I'm buying a toy for Nidhi, but most of the toys are not working properly, so I don't know. They also have a lot of wooden, they also have a lot of stuff made of wood and stones. Akka is really helpful. This stick is for scratching your back. 30 bucks. I bought two toys for Nidhi. One small car and another one like an abacus to arrange. I don't know if she is going to love it or not, but it's very colorful.